Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to click a subscribe button. If not, thank you so much for supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a vintage look storage box, which will be eye-pleasing home decor with its own purpose. So stay with me and let's get busy. For this project, you would need an old cupboard box, and the size of the box is completely up to you guys. I've decided to cover my box with a vintage wrap newspaper, which I bought from florist shop, but I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon too. I'm only covering the inside and the bottom of the box. So the next step is to cover the sides, and for this I'm using jumbo ice cream sticks, which I bought from Amazon. I will leave a link below in the description box. I'm using an oil-based wood stainer to stain my box. The reason that I'm using this is because it smells less and dries quicker. For the better effect, I'm applying the stain with a piece of cloth because I find that it's easier to control and how much I am applying. look, I've decided to use the same wooden stick and I'm gluing at the bottom. For the top, I'm reusing my son's old belt. Guys, you won't believe how long I've kept this. That belt, I've had it since my son was 4 and now he is 18. It really gives me a nice personal touch. So, me being me, I've decided to add more details. So, I printed out a vintage picture from internet and then decoupage. I hope you like my videos and see you next time. Bye!